Hello everyone, good morning all of you and welcome back to my YouTube channel The English Tutor. Today in this video I want to talk about the most important topic is Blazer can speak English. Today our topic is Blazer can speak English. Guys, many people think only cities people can speak English, Blazer people can't speak English. This is not true because English is just a language, not any talent, not any tough work. Okay, if you are live in place, if you are live in city, you can learn this language, you can speak this language. Okay, if I'm talking guys place people, the main problem is not lack of ability. Blaze people, the main problem is lack of confidence, because Blaze people don't have enough confidence. Like I can't speak English because I don't have enough confidence. But if I'm talking cities people have enough confidence, that's why they will speak English, they will speak other languages. Okay, so guys, if you think I'm lazy, I can't speak English, this is not true. Anyone can learn it. If I'm talking me, I'm also living Blaze, I'm living Blaze, I'm not living city. And if I'm talking my family member, always speak in Hindi. If I'm talking my friend, always speak Hindi, not speak English. But still I can speak English front of you. You can also speak English front of me. Okay, but remember one thing, if you want to learn English, if you want to learn any other language, regular you have to try to speak, regular you have to try to regular you try to learn new rules in on grammar, in grammar. Okay, and after that you can speak English front of me, front of public, front of your boss, front of your family member. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn English regular, you will have to speak 15 minute, 5 minute. Okay, so today in this video I will share with you, I want to share with you what I used to do to learn this language. In my beginning days, first I tried to learn basic grammar rules like tenses, modals, ws family word, and some phrasal verb. This kind of topic I learned. And guys, the most important things are whatever you know. Like now you have to know only present indefinite tense. You try to speak. I go there, I come here, I eat food, I see movies, and he is my friend, he is my brother, they are my all friends. So this kind of you have to speak. Whatever you know, you try to speak. As much you speak, you learn. More you speak, more you learn. Okay, so that's why whatever you know in the grammar, you try to speak front of mirror. And if you know all tenses, all modals, all ws family word, and grammar, lot of rules if you know, so you have to take any one topic and you try to speak. Like t on tea you have to speak like your bedroom and your home, about your friend, about your family. Any topic you have to take it and you try to speak. This kind of way you have to do work. Okay, so the most important things are you have to speak, बोलना है आपको. Okay, so guys, we will meet the next video, and if you like this video please tell me in the comment box, and if you dislike this video please tell me in the comment box. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching this video.